These are some of the most specialist of special cards ever created by the magician's magician, Daryl. Imagine this. You start off with blank cards with a special secret.
So check it out, we'll take your card, press it right against the blank, a little squeeze, and it absolutely absorbs the ink onto that blank card.
One by one, print on every blank card.
You can actually take a surface, place it on the blank, and immediately after place another surface, giving you two surfaces on one.
From mirror cards, double face back cards, smudge cards, and even spun cards. It's a wild multi-phase routine with hit after hit of pure visual delight.
Rather than spin it, I like to snap all the printing down to one side. And at this point, your spectators can examine absolutely everything.
Leave a lasting impression with Daryl's Presto Printo.